Buy a power extension cable for just $5 at Dollar Tree or any $1 shop. You think it's only there to connect your TV? Then you are wrong. This simple cable can literally become your future money machine. Most people only see a cable with 3 sockets. I see a business. Because this power cord doesn't mean that $5 are gone. It means that $35 come in. How does that work? Very simple. You buy it, you put it online, and people tear it out of your hands. Why? Because they are lazy. They want to click, get products delivered, and be done. They don't compare prices. They don't go to Dollar Tree. And that's where it gets exciting. You buy it for $5. You sell it for $34.99. But not on Craigslist or Vinted. On Amazon. And guess what? It works. One sale brings you a profit of $45. Make 5 sales per day. That's $175. Make 10 sales. That's $400 a day. Now imagine a full month at $400 per day. That's $12,000, all from a $5 power extension cable. Subscribe for more simple business hacks like this.